So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be making okpa. So for the list of the ingredients, this is my okpa flour, this is pepper, this is red oil. If you have uziza seed, you can add uziza seed, but right now I don't have it, so I'm just going to make do with what I have. This is salt. Before you ask me or before you tell me that the salt is too much, I'm not going to use all this salt. Yeah, so first thing first, I will start with adding my red oil. And again, my water is already boiling, like my pot is already on the fire. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. I'm adding my red oil. Add the pepper. Then this is our salt. Some people used to add vegetable. Make sure you don't add too much water first. Just add a little water like this, that I added a little water. Because if you add too much water, that means while mixing it, your oil will go one side and your okpa will go one side. The okpa will not mix well with the red oil, so that's why you need to make it to be very thick so that it will mix well. This water I'm adding here is warm water. This is the consistency that you will go for. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Once you check it and it's like this, my dear, your okpa is good to go. So the last one, this particular one is what I normally give to my baby, because you see this okpa that I'm cooking, that's her favorite food. Like, she likes eating okpa. She can eat okpa afternoon, morning, night. I don't just know why she likes okpa that way, but it is what it is. Ma? 1,000. yes. Ofu bato hune. We come a crayfish no kwa.